Hey Trent, I'm going to show you how to go on to Smart Music to access your band book. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and put my link into my web browser. So I'm just going to copy and paste the link I gave you earlier, which is right here. And then I'm going to go and pop that link right into my web browser. Okay, now it's going to ask for my email address, so I'm going to put in my email address. You'll put in your email address. Then it's going to ask you for your class code. So then you're going to put in the class code that I gave you. And again, I'm pulling this right off of our correspondence that we had earlier. And then I'll pop it in. I click Find Your Class. It says you are joining, and it says Join Your Class. So I select that. All right, now it's going to ask you some different questions to create your account. You select your country, your time zone, age, okay, then you put in your first name. I put in my last name. I put in, it's asking me my email address and a backup email address if I need that. Then you'll create a username. I would just do your first name and your last initial. Oh, but it's already used by someone else. So you want to create a username that's kind of unique to you. Okay. That's already used by another account. All right, so you find a username that's unique to you. You're going to pop in a password. You confirm your password. Then you're going to list what your primary instrument is. For me, it's flute. You put in alto saxophone, and then if you've read and agreed to the terms and guidelines, you're going to select that. If you don't want them sending you stuff, you can unselect that. Then you click Submit. Then what it's going to do, it's going to email you your activation. So then what you'll want to do is go into your email and activate your account. And then once you do that, you should be all set. I'll do a little demo and show you how to do that. So I'm going to go into my email that I used with this. Okay, so I'll go into my email, and this is just, you can use your school email or whatever email you want. This is just my non-school email. I can't use my school email address for this because that's what I have set up as my teacher account. So this is my other email address that I use. So I'm just going to log into that. And all right, so I'm going to go into my email and look for my Smart Music email that they should have sent me. Waiting for that to load up. Okay, so I'm going to go into my email, and I should have a new email from Smart Music. So I'm going to go and check. It's not popped through yet. So I'm going to wait and see if maybe it's popped through by reloading. Normally it takes a few minutes for it to pop through their system. Let's see if it says anything. So you wait a little bit to activate your account. So anyway, you go into your email, and then there'll be a link that you click on, and that'll take you right into our class page, and you'll find your band book there. You'll select the instrument that you'll need it for, and you'll be able to interact with it and use it as necessary. If you're having any issues with that, let me know. But the way I just showed you doesn't involve using like a Google Chrome or a Google account whatsoever. So you should be okay. Let me know if there's any other issues.